Maybe again, even a hurricane. Then it continues off towards the north and east as a stronger tropical storm, but then weakens pretty quickly as it gets over land. But even as it's traveling farther north here, you've still got this tropical feed that is coming up into the northern Gulf Coast. So we've still got the rainfall threat. And then on top of that, there's going to be a front dropping into the picture that's going to interact with that moisture as well. So you've got a very large area of potentially 4 to 8 inches of rain. But locally within that area, we're talking about 10 to 20 inches of rain. And a big part of the question is, does it occur over a long period of time, over 4 to 5 days, or do we get heavier rainfall rates? Because that's really what's going to lead to flooding. Now, I also want to show you Tropical Storm Katia. This is now a hurricane, a 75-mile-an-hour hurricane, Category 1. It will continue off towards the west-northwest. Now, the computer models have been disconcerting, to say the least, over the last couple of days, because where for a long time they had been curving the storm out, well out over the open water, they had been trending a little bit farther to the west before beginning that turn. That's actually come back just a little bit with the last couple of runs, but still, that's really way too close for comfort, and we have not been able to resolve that critical turn right yet. So the question is this going to have a direct effect on the U.S. or not? And we can't answer that question right yet, and that's why you need to tune in every day as we continue to refine that forecast. Guys, back to you.
Oh, thank you very much, Carl. Now, on top of all of the activity we have going on in the tropics, we're also watching a surface cold front as it slides across the Midwest. Behind it, definitely some cooler air, fall-like feel of things across the western high plains and the northern Rockies, but staying hot in Texas and Oklahoma. Unfortunately, the moisture from Lee will not make it to the extremely drought-stricken agricultural areas in central and west Texas. Then on Sunday, the front continues to sag on off toward the northeast coast. All the while, though, you know we'll be watching the Gulf Coast and the interior regions of the southeast from all of the moisture from Tropical Storm Lee. We'll be right back.
This is Kim, about to feel one of his favorite sensations. At Shell, we're developing more efficient fuels in countries like Malaysia that can help us get the most from our energy resources. Let's use energy more efficiently. Let's go.
To prevent toilet rings from building up, you'd have to clean your toilet every time you flush. That's over 3,600 times a year. Who would do that? It's Scrubbing Bubbles Toilet Cleaning Gel. Just stamp it in. Its formula is flush activated to prevent buildup of limescale and hard water that cause toilet rings. And it keeps working flush after flush. Scrubbing Bubbles Toilet Cleaning Gel. The freshest way to keep a toilet clean. Flush after flush.
SC Johnson, a family company.
I'm a film star. Well, I'm a film. Left behind by a floor cleaner I thought was going to take me places. Now, life is done. Darling.
Swiffer attracts dirt. Swiffer Wetjet's new upgraded solution loosens and lifts off dirt to help prevent streaks and residue. And reveal more shine than a mop, or your money back.
You had me at...
Possibilities are everywhere. Multiply them with the Premier Rewards Gold Card from American Express. With triple membership rewards points on airfare, double on gas, double on groceries, and a single point on everything else, it's a fast way to earn more every day. Plus, you can earn 10,000 bonus points. And the annual fee the first year is on us. Call 800-AXP-GOLD to apply.
Over 200 meteorologists.
The ocean is just roaring.
Keeping you safe throughout hurricane season 2011.
And I can't believe how strong this wind is.
With expert analysis and on-the-scene insight.
Definitely looking at dangerous conditions that will only get worse as the day goes on.
Taking you through the storm across every device. Stay with the network whose passion for weather is as powerful as the storm itself. Stay with the Weather Channel, the Hurricane Authority.
The Weather Channel is brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station or visit weather.com.
free severe weather alerts. Download the Weather Channel desktop at weather.com/desktop. Now, you're local on the 8s.
How's your weather?
Find out at weather.com/social.
Right now on Day Planner, Tropical Storm Lee is bearing down on the Gulf Coast, bringing with it very heavy rainfall.